Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw in Google Keep in 2026. Google Keep includes a built-in drawing feature that lets you create sketches, handwritten notes, diagrams, and quick ideas directly inside a note. Let's get started. First, open Google Keep in your web browser and create a new note. Click the More Options menu, which is the three-dot icon at the bottom of the note, and select Add Drawing. The drawing canvas will open. You can use the pen tool to draw lines and write notes. You can also use the marker tool for thicker strokes and the eraser tool to remove any part of the drawing. You can change the drawing color by selecting a different color from the toolbar. If you make a mistake, use the undo button, and if needed, use redo to restore your last action. After finishing your drawing, click Done. The drawing will be added to your Google Keep note automatically. You can reopen the note anytime and edit the drawing again whenever you need to make changes. That's how to draw in Google Keep in 2026. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful Google tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.